everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. It was a really long one here for me, and I was quite lazy this week and didn't get a lot done. So I got up this day and decided it was time to put this house back together. So I'm just going to take you along as I decide to clean up a few key areas in the house that were neglected this week, and I hope you enjoy. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Kelly, and take a browse around my channel, and I hope that if you like what you see, you'll think about subscribing.
So we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Hey guys, in case you're wondering why I don't tuck the end of my comforter at the end of my bed, it's because, yes, we really are those people. Gus has a hard time jumping up on the bed if he sees the wood. The wood is dark, and I don't know what it is. He just won't jump up, and you know, at 2 in the morning when he wants back up there, we're going to leave it untucked so we don't have to get up and lift him up. That towel you see sitting on the floor is actually Gussie's towel, because for some reason he has a real thing for the shower. So we leave it there for him. As soon as he sees the shower door open, he grabs it, and as soon as the water comes on, he's flicking that towel everywhere. We don't know why he does it, but He has to run to the shower. All we have to do is say the word shower and he's up there. It really is kind of funny and a little strange if you ask me.
Don't know a thing about what this is like. I don't want to think about what's ahead. I'm here now, 'cause I've always wanted to feel alive. Live in the moment, let the future arrive. I'm gonna tell the world the way it's going down. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, not here now. Won't let them bother me, I'm not gonna waste my time. Come and join and get it started in this town. I'd rather be fun than what they say won't be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me.
So I did want to show you a really cool thing that my husband bought a few years ago for our toilets. And it's these toilet seats, and they actually come off. You can take them off so you can clean right underneath and clean the where they attach to the toilet so well, and you can really get them clean. And you know, ladies, you know if you have young men, young boys, men in your house, this can be very, very handy. So you just turn these, the little knobs, and pull up. And they lift right off, and now you can clean all under here and in these. And I tell you, it's one of the best things he ever bought.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time.
I love vacuuming, but I hate my vacuum. So I'm really hoping that if Santa's listening, Santa, I'd really love a cordless vacuum for Christmas. I just hate this big monstrosity. Oh well, girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do.